Do you know about UPC, SKU, and you? I think that's a Shakespeare quote. Pretty sure. So UPC stands for Universal Product Code. Oh, that's nice. And SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. Getting a little close. Okay, just don't have room. Okay, go away. Now, what are the differences there? So let's use them in an example. So UPC, Universal Product Code, on a jar of peanut butter that you might pick up at the store. No matter where that peanut butter is sold of that particular brand, it'll have that same code, and you can scan it, and it'll always have that same information, and it'll point towards that particular brand and size and jar of peanut butter. But now, let's say that you're going to use that peanut butter and start a business to make peanut butter cookies, and man, they're good. But now you have peanut butter in your warehouse, and you might create your own stock keeping unit for your own records and a SKU that you keep on the shelf, and it points again to that same peanut butter. But just, quick little tip, I would not use a jar of peanut butter for your cookie peanut butter empire because, well, that's just a terrible waste of money and you should buy in volume, but I digress. So a SKU is more oriented towards one business so that they are able to keep stock and record of their own product, whether it's from a vendor or a product that they make, so they can keep their levels correct. All right, so what does this mean for you? Well, the point of any of these, SKU, UPC, QR code, or some other funky thing they'll come up with, is it's to point towards a product, towards a material, towards a raw good, so that it can save you time, whether you're using it on an invoice, you're using it on a purchase order, you're using it to label shelves for stock keeping, you're using it for all kinds of uses. It is a shorthand, really, so that you're not having to write out the full number, the full product name, the full part, etc. These can be super helpful in your warehouse and in manufacturing to save you time. So these are tools that help you track things better. It's really what it comes down to, and they point to the right information. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.